Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English Channel. Today, you will listen to a real-life English conversation. This conversation will help you improve your English listening and speaking skills. Before we begin, thank you so much for watching and listening. If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hi, Paul.
Hi, Emily.
How are you today?
I'm very happy today
Really? Why are you happy?
because today is Saturday.
Yes, Saturday is a great day.
I love weekends.
Me too. Weekends are relaxing.
Do you like weekends, Emily?
Of course. I always look forward to the weekend.
Same here.
What do you usually do on weekends?
Let me think.
Do you forget your weekend?
No, I remember.
Okay, tell me.
On Saturday morning, I usually wake up late,
How late do you wake up?
around 9:30 or 10.
Wow, that is late.
Yes, because on weekdays, I wake up early.
That makes sense.
What about you?
On weekends, I also wake up late.
Really?
Yes, but not too late.
What time do you wake up?
Around 8.
8 is not late.
It feels late for me. What do you do after you wake up?
First, I check my phone.
Phone again?
Yes, just a few minutes.
Only a few minutes?
Okay, maybe 30 minutes.
That is not a few minutes.
I know, time goes very fast.
That's true. After that, what do you do?
I brush my teeth.
Good habit?
Then I wash my face.
That sounds refreshing.
Yes, it wakes me up.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
I eat toast and eggs.
That sounds delicious.
Sometimes I drink coffee.
Coffee again?
Yes, coffee is my best friend.
I remember that. On Saturday morning, I like to drink tea.
Tea?
Yes, hot tea.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, I sit quietly and enjoy my tea.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, weekends should be peaceful.
I agree.
Do you stay at home on weekends?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
What do you do when you go outside?
I like to go to the park.
The park sounds nice.
Yes, the air is fresh.
Do you go alone?
Sometimes I go with friends.
That sounds fun.
Yes, we walk and talk.
Walking is good exercise.
Yes, and it makes me feel happy.
That is wonderful. Do you play sports on weekends?
Yes, sometimes.
What sport do you play?
I play badminton.
That sounds fun.
Yes, it is very exciting.
Do you play with friends?
Yes, we play together.
Who wins?
Sometimes me, sometimes my friend.
That sounds fair.
Yes, but I want to win every time.
Of course you do. So, Paul, what do you do in the afternoon on weekends?
In the afternoon, I usually go outside.
Where do you like to go?
I like to go shopping.
Shopping sounds fun.
Yes, I enjoy walking around the mall.
Do you buy many things?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
What do you usually buy?
I usually buy clothes.
That sounds nice.
Yes, I like new clothes.
Do you shop alone?
Sometimes I go alone.
And sometimes?
Sometimes I go with my friends.
That sounds more fun.
Yes, we talk and laugh.
Do you eat food at the mall?
Yes, I love food courts.
Me too.
I usually eat fried rice or noodles.
That sounds delicious.
Yes, mall food is very tasty.
Do you ever watch movies on weekends?
Yes, I love watching movies.
Do you go to the cinema?
Sometimes I go to the cinema.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies.
Action movies are exciting.
Yes, they are very fun.
Do you watch movies at home?
Yes, sometimes I watch movies at home.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, I sit on the sofa and eat snacks.
Snacks are important for movies.
Yes, popcorn is my favorite.
Popcorn and movies are perfect together.
Yes, they are best friends.
Just like you and coffee.
Yes, coffee again.
Have you ever had a funny weekend story?
Oh, yes, I have one.
Tell me.
One weekend, I went shopping.
Okay.
I bought many things.
That sounds normal.
But when I went home,
Yes.
I realized I forgot one bag at the mall.
Oh no.
Yes, I was very worried.
What did you do?
I ran back to the mall.
Did you find your bag?
Yes, luckily it was still there.
That is very lucky.
Yes, now I always check my bags.
That is a good lesson.
Yes, always check your bags.
That is very true. Do you ever visit your family on weekends?
Yes, sometimes I visit my parents.
That sounds lovely.
Yes, we eat dinner together.
Family time is very important.
Yes, I enjoy spending time with my family.
That sounds wonderful.
Yes, weekends are perfect for family time.
I agree. So, Paul, what do you do in the evening on weekends?
In the evening, I like to relax.
That sounds nice.
Yes, weekends are for relaxing.
How do you relax?
I usually watch TV.
What do you like to watch?
I like to watch funny shows.
Funny shows are great.
Yes, they make me laugh.
Laughing is good for your health.
Yes, it makes me feel happy.
Do you ever listen to music on weekends?
Yes, I love listening to music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Pop music is very popular.
Yes, I listen to music when I feel tired.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, music helps me relax.
Do you sing along?
Yes, but my singing is not very good.
That's okay. Singing is fun.
Yes, even bad singing is fun.
I agree. What do you usually do on Sunday?
On Sunday morning, I wake up late again.
Weekends are for sleeping.
Yes, Sunday is my lazy day.
What do you do after you wake up?
I eat breakfast.
What do you eat?
I usually eat pancakes.
Pancakes sound delicious.
Yes, I love pancakes.
Do you cook pancakes?
Sometimes I cook.
And sometimes?
Sometimes I buy pancakes from a cafe.
That sounds tasty.
Yes, cafe pancakes are very good.
Do you go outside on Sunday?
Yes, sometimes I go to the park.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, I walk slowly and enjoy the fresh air.
Walking is very healthy.
Yes, it is good exercise.
Do you take photos?
Yes, sometimes I take photos of nature.
That sounds beautiful.
Yes, trees and flowers look very nice.
Nature is wonderful.
Yes, it makes me feel calm.
What do you do on Sunday evening?
On Sunday evening, I prepare for Monday.
That sounds responsible.
Yes, I prepare my clothes.
Good idea.
I also check my bag.
So you don't forget anything.
Yes, I don't want another shopping bag problem.
Good lesson.
Yes, always check your things.
That is very smart. That was a great conversation about weekend activities.
Yes, weekends are very important.
I agree.
Weekends help us relax and feel happy.
That's true.
Talking about weekends helps us practice English.
Yes, practice makes perfect.
I will practice every weekend.
That sounds like a good plan. Thank you so much for listening today. We hope you enjoyed this English listening practice. Remember, practice your English every day, little by little. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.